This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Of course, as you guys know this, we used to actually coach students what to say, how to say, what to do, what not to do. But to stop that, we're actually giving the answer ourselves. As you see, every Sunday I am giving the answer. There is a reason. Means I don't want you to actually make a mistake. I give you the answer. You can listen to this. You can actually prepare the questions. You can ask a follow-up question. It means not only technically prepare you, giving you all you need. At the same time, we know what type of questions we ask in the interview, what type of challenging question we can ask and block you to see your strength. So nowadays we actually do this. So now this session is going to be helpful because we provided all the questions to our Cloud Ops students. So most of the questions are combination of the interview from the job market, actually student they ask, and actually the tailored version. That's what type of question we ask to block a student, to actually block a candidate. So this session will be with that. Let me ask